Hey, baby. Where's Nicholas? Does he have something belong to you? Does he? Let's go see. Let's go see if he has your bone. Let's see. Come on. Let's ask him. Nicholas? Do you have Brian's hand bone? Is that Brian's? Is that Brian? Can we have that? Come on. Can I have that? But it's not yours! Nicholas! I know, Jen. Tell him. Tell him he has to share, guys. Brian. Ask him nice. Ask him nice. Jen, you want to ask him? Ask him. What's wrong? Is that yours, Brian? Poor Brian. Nicholas stole his bone. Ask him to share. Let's ask him to share. Come on, Nicholas. Give the bone to Brian now. It's his turn. Take his turn. Nicholas. Here, you have his chewies.